Introducing first.
I got it.
From Chillicothe, Ohio.
Yeah!
Managed by Glamorous, Scary Dameron. Ddtrash. Romantic.
Guys, right there. Boom.
The Devil Horror. Bruce Wayne. They are the ASW Tag Team Champions. Ddtrash.
What's up this side? It's about to get good! Are you full or something? All right, here we go. What's up, Mark? Oh, I will. My man. That's how Brucey Jack pays him bills.
Who's having a good time tonight? Who's happy to see the Tag Team Champions? Ddtrash! Might as well go ahead and address the elephant in the room. And the elephant in the room is, good Lord, Gary Dameron is looking sexy tonight! The other elephant in the room is obviously old Ronnie's on crutches, old Ronnie's hobbling around. Sadly in Pittsburgh, I rolled my knee. I can't put much weight on it. I'm waiting on an MRI. That's the update, is that there is no update. In the meantime, Brucey, I guess when I'm hurt, we're gonna have to stop defending the tag titles, you know?
Ronnie, if there's one thing I've walked into this building knowing today, it is that we are Ddtrash. We are your ASW Tag Team Champions. That's true.
And we are defending your belts.
I don't know, Brucey. I think while I'm hurt, I gotta stop.
We're gonna defend these belts.
I don't know, man. While I'm injured, I just think I gotta stop.
You don't tag in. You're in this match.
We defend these belts because, baby,
We don't just talk trash.
we are Ddtrash.
All right, Brucey. I thought I needed to stop defending the tag title. You convinced me. I stayed on the apron. You handle a match. You're
in this match officially.
So I'm in the match officially. Another way of saying is, we ain't never gonna stop defending these tag team titles. We're never gonna stop.
We're gonna defend tonight, and we're gonna defend. We will figure it out, Brucey. You say you got the match. I don't. I'm officially out. I'm gonna hang out on the apron.
Ronnie, I can assure you and all these beautiful people, I am 100% right now. Okay.
I am 85% right now, but I'm feeling good, Ronnie. I'm looking good, and I got all kind of mountain mamas in this building. And somebody is gonna buy me dinner from Little's Cafe. All right, Gary, what do you think?
Ronnie, with all these people here behind Ddtrash, there is nothing that we can't do.
Nothing we can't do.
So I say, what do y'all have? Ddtrash. Let me hear you. Ddtrash. Ddtrash.
Bring out the nerds! I'm gonna stand on the apron like a champ. I'm the workhorse.
Well, introducing their opponents first.
Look at that.
From
You got one
West
leg.
Virginia,
Look at
the
that.
Juggernauts,
Oh.
Marcus
You think you got this leg? You got one leg, bro. You got one leg. He's got one leg. I got two jugs. Look at that. I got two good legs. He's got one. and his partner from Fairbanks, Alaska, Big Black Tom, BBC.
Oh God, where did people keep coming from? Look, I don't even need to rap. Yeah, BBC. Just to remind you guys, injured or not, we are I ain't taking you off. Oh yeah! You're stressing me out. I hold this one up at least. Ooh, somebody got some barbecue. I shouldn't be here. I'm the workhorse. I shouldn't be here. I should be at home. Just do this. Just this. Zoom in real close. Wait, 10 to 12 of this. Yeah. All right, it's family show. Come on now.
Stacey, check my names to see if they work.
Check me. I'm just kidding.
Let's hear it for Talise! It's a big waste to lock.
Ask him. Ask him. Ask him. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Whoa.
Oh yeah, whoa. Brucey's a smart boy.
I'm a smart boy, and I'm also a sexy one.
Women find you about it.
Ronnie, let's go around the world.
Whoop it.
Whoa!
Throw him into the ball, baby.
Back to this one. Back to this one.
I'm helping.
Yeah!
We good?
I want the other one. I want the other one.
Bruce, you can handle BBC. You can handle like 3 BBCs. You can take like 4 to 5 BBCs.
Come quick, class. Let's party.
Oh my God, Bruce.
That's a big boy to be messing with.
Oh my goodness. Oh. I got it, Ronnie. Come on, Brucey. Oh my God, you're lucky. You are so lucky, you ugly piece of crap.
Come on, big boy.
No. Animate. Oh, Brucey. Let's go.
Come on, 1, 2, 3.
Come on, man, you suck.
I got 5 seconds.
Oh, that's real funny. That's real funny.
Buddy, you can do this when you're my age. You're ready for retirement.
Bruce, you got a tag! We gotta abandon the plan! I'm over here! Abandon ship! You gotta tag me! You gotta tag me! First time! Oh my God! Brucey! You gotta get me in there! No! Oh my God! Bruce, you gotta tag me! Come on, Bruce! I need to get in this thing! Ronnie! Please! I'm good!
He ain't gonna tag you. You can't handle me. You can't step in this ring with me. You only got one leg. One leg, big boy. Check this out, man. I got a Come on, you want some, you got it. Get in here with me. Come on. You got it, come on. You got it, old man. Step up. Come on, big boy. You got one leg. You can't possibly stay with me. Even with one leg, I don't know who you think you're talking to. I've been doing this for 15 years. I am Ron Mathis, and I will mess you up. Yeah! Ddtrash! Hell yeah!
And still the ASW Tag Team Champions, Ddtrash, Ron Mathis, the number one record this day,
Ddtrash! And I help!
No, don't do things like you're doing right. Work hard. Work hard. You're big. Get to this level. Don't be taking shortcuts. Do this thing. Do this thing. B, C. You stay in this ring. You think about it. Oh, broken rings are moving right through it. D! Who got that in shape?
Nah, I'm gonna get you.
Come on, keep making noise!
Might be the dumbest guy I know.
We ain't never gonna stop! Ain't never gonna stop! Ain't never gonna holy crap, we don't have. Ain't never gonna stop, ain't no right. We are